So real quick, I'm gonna show you a little trick that I use to get up any kind of coolant spots, because if you know anything about coolant, it kind of just leaves like a oily ring. So let me throw this away. What I have here is a restaurant grade degreaser. It's an all-purpose degreaser, but again, it's commercial grade, and I say that loosely. But it works really, really well to get any kind of stuff off your concrete that you don't want. Anytime I've ever spilled oil or coolant on the driveway, oh my gosh, I almost fell. Anytime I've ever spilt coolant or oil on the driveway, I use this stuff with water, and I use a tire brush to kind of rough it up, and it comes right up. Just a little bit ago, I don't know where it's at, I spilled coolant right here. So here's some more I'm gonna get. And yeah, just a little trick of the trade.